In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Airtable API credentials in N8N step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll have a secure connection between Airtable and N8N, so your automations can read from and write to your bases without manual work. We'll start inside Airtable by creating a personal access token. In your Airtable account, head to the Developer Hub, then open Personal Access Tokens and choose Create Token. Give the token a clear label so you'll recognize what it's for later. Next, set the scopes. For most automations, you'll want data.records. Read and data.records write. Read allows N8N to pull records from your tables, and write allows it to create or update them. Only add additional scopes if you know you need them. Keeping access as limited as possible is a good security practice. Under Access, select the specific base or bases this token should work with. Limiting the token to only the bases you use helps protect everything else in your Airtable workspace. When you're ready, click Create Token. Airtable will display the token once. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager. Don't share it publicly or paste it into documents or screenshots. If it's ever exposed, revoke it in the Developer Hub and create a new one. With the token safely copied, switch over to N8N. Open N8N and go to the Credentials section, then choose New Credential. Search for or select Airtable. You'll see a field for a personal access token. Paste the token you just copied from Airtable. It's helpful to add a descriptive name to the credential so you can recognize it when building workflows. When everything looks good, click Save. That's the entire setup. You've created a secure token in Airtable with only the permissions you need and told N8N how to use it. If you run into issues later, the most common causes are either missing scopes or the token not being allowed to access the specific base you're targeting. In that case, revisit the token in Airtable's Developer Hub to confirm it has data.records, read and data.records, write, and that the base is selected under Access. Also make sure you pasted the token correctly in N8N. From here, whenever you add an Airtable node in your N8N workflows, select the credential you just saved, and you'll be able to read and write records as configured. Keep your token secure, rotate it periodically, and follow the principle of least privilege for a reliable and safe integration. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.